Hi all, welcome to Vizag Sainik Academy. Please subscribe our channel. We are discussing time and distance part 2. So let's go with the question. A horse is running at a rate of 60 km per hour and it takes 2 hours for the horse to cover a certain distance. If the horse rider wants to cover the same distance in 1.5 hours, then what should be the speed of the horse? So here, if he is going at 60 km per hour or something else, he needs to cover the same distance. అంటే ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఏంటి సేమ్. బేసికల్ మనకి ఏం తెలుసు, డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్పీడ్ ఇంటూ టైం. వి నో దట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్పీడ్ ఇంటూ టైం. సో డిస్టెన్స్, సో స్పీడ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి ఇక్కడ 60 into 2 which is 120. Now the distance is same, but same thing he needs to cover in 1.5 hour. And the speed x into 1.5 hour, 3/2 equal to the same distance 120. 3 1 joules, 3 40 joules. So speed will be 40 into 2, which is 80. Which is how much? 80. And the new speed will be how much? 80. And if we go at 80 km per hour, he can complete the distance in 1.5 hour. Next, a car covers 200 kilometers in 5 hours and another 240 kilometers in 4 hours. The average speed of a car. So before going to this, you need to understand what is average speed. What is average speed? Average speed is nothing but basically speed and manaki em telusu, total distance traveled, the distance by time. So total distance traveled by total time taken. Total time taken. And average speed kavalante how much total distance traveled in how many hours. Then we will get the average speed. Basically average speed చేసేసరికి మనకి 2 things ఉంటాయి average speed లో. One is time based. One is what? Time based. So in that equal time, if we have equal time, example 1 hour I am going with x kilometer per hour, 1 more hour at y kilometer per hour, I am going at 1 hour at x kilometer per hour, the other 1 hour at y kilometer per hour, then the average speed equal to what we can say, average speed equal to total distance traveled at x plus y by number of hours. So 1 plus 1. Simply we can say x plus y by 2 is the average speed. This is equal time. Next, second case, different speed, different time intervals. Different time intervals. Here we know that అంటే ఈక్వల్ టైం ఉంది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ 1 hour ఇక్కడ 1 hour కాబట్టి by 2 is, but different time intervals. ఇలాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? సో మనకి ఏం తెలుసు, యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సేమ్ లాజిక్, total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance equal speed into time. Example mx plus ny means I am going with x kilometer per hour for m hours, y kilometer per hour for n hours by number of, so m plus n. So the average speed will be what? Mx plus ny by m plus n. And the total distance covered in first speed and total distance covered by second speed, the whole by number of hours. This is easy way to find out the average speed when we have different time. Then some cases they will give distance based. అంటే distance based ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది distance based అని? Example, this is the distance between A and B. A and B distance is D. Going at x kilometer per hour, reached B and return back at y kilometer per hour. From A to B x kilometer per hour, once reached B and return back with y kilometer per hour. At the time, what is the average speed? Otherwise, half distance at x kilometer per hour, the second half at y kilometer per hour. Half distance at x kilometer per hour and another half at y kilometer per hour. ఇలా ఏది ఇచ్చినా సరే యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్ ఏమవుతుంది? యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance ఏమవుతుంది? speed total distance equal to ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా వెళ్ళడం ఒకటి రావడం ఒకటి అంటే 2d by t1 plus t2. Time equal to what do we know? Distance by speed plus distance by speed. So 2d by d into y plus x by xy. dd cancel. Finally we get 2xy by x plus y. So when they are giving, depends upon the distance, like equal distances, half of distances at that time, we use the average speed equal to 2xy by x plus logic to find out the average speed. Now we will go with the question. A car covers 200 kilometers in 5 hours and 240 kilometers in 4 hours. We want to find out the speed of the car. Average speed of the car. Average speed equal to what do we know? I told you just now. Total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance is one is 200, the other one 240. By total time. Time equal to, we know the distance with speed. Time and 200 by 5 plus 240 by 4. So 200 plus 200 plus 240. 440 by 200 by 4 is 5. And 240 by 4 means 60. 440 by 100. Nothing but 4.4. Answer is nothing but how much? 4 point. ఒకసారి చూడండి ఇక్కడ 200 kilometers in 5 hours, 240 kilometers in 4 hours. 200 by 5, 40. Sorry guys, the small mistake చేసా. వాడు ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఇంకా టైం ఎందుకు ఇంక వేరేగా 5 plus 4 డైరెక్ట్లీ రైట్ ఇట్. సో 5 plus 4 అంటే అంత 9. 440 by 9. ఎస్ అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వన్ సెకండ్. Yeah. So guys, a car covers 200 kilometers in 5 hours and another 240 kilometers in 4 hours. The average speed of a car. So average speed equal to, మనకు తెలిసి ఏం తెలుసు, average speed equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance is 200 plus 240 by 5 plus 4. Nothing but 440 by 9. 9 4 just 36. 9 4 just 36. 80. 9 8 just 72. 9 8 just 72. Point 8 80. 9 8 just 72. 8. 9 8 just and 48.80. So answer is close to the 48.82. 48.89 kilometer per hour. Must be the answer. Which is simple. Average speed find out challenge, total distance traveled by total time this. Let's go with the next one. A man travels a distance of 24 kilometers at 6 km per hour and another distance of 16 kilometers at speed of 4 km per hour. Now we want to find out the average speed. Already pretty just we discussed. Average speed equal to what do we know? Total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance is 24. The other distance is 16 by speed. And the time equal distance of speed. 24 by 6 plus 16 by 4. 40 by 6 plus 4. 40 by 24 by 6 and 4 amma. Okay, see the question. A man travels a distance of 24 kilometers at a speed of 6 km per hour and another distance of 16 km at a speed of 4 km per hour, the average speed. Average speed equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So 24 plus 16 is the distances, total time 24 by 6 plus 16 by 4. 40 by 4 plus 4. 40 by 8. 40 by 8 means 5. So the average speed will be 5 km per hour. Option B is the correct. Next one. A man goes from Delhi to Mumbai at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and comes back to Delhi at a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. His average speed of for the whole journey is. So going from Delhi to Mumbai and return back. So is it? Yeah. So we are discussing question number 15. A man goes from Delhi to Mumbai at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and comes back to Delhi at a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. His average speed for the whole journey is. So already this model I told you, going from Delhi to Mumbai with some speed and return back to Delhi with a different speed. Then what do we know average speed? Average speed equal to 2xy by x plus 5. This must be the average speed. When we use 2xy by x plus 5, somebody is going and return back to the original place. At the time, we use 2xy by x plus 5. So 2 into first speed, 40. Second speed, 60 by 40 plus 60. Which is equal to 2 into 40 into 60 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2 4 is 8, 8 6 is 48. So answer is 48 km per hour. Option B. Next one. Next question. A motor car goes to a place at a speed of 20 km per hour and returns back from there at a speed of 30 km per hour. The average speed of the car in the entire journey. This is the same model. Eppudayina sare going and coming back ante average speed will be always 2xy by x plus 5. So 2 into 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30. 2 into 20 into 30 by 50. 0, 0 cancel. 5 1 years, 5 6 years. So to do this 4 4 6 is 24. So answer is 24 km per hour. This must be the answer. Next, Manoj travels two successive distances of 20 kilometers each at the speed of 24 km per hour and 36 km per hour respectively. Find the average speed of find his average speed. ఇక్కడ కూడా same two successive అంటే equal distances అని 20 kilometers 20 kilometers ఇక్కడ 24 km per hour, here 36 km per hour. So what do we know when we are talking about like this? The average speed will be always average speed equal to 2xy by x plus 5. 2 into x 24 y 36 by 24 plus 36. 2 into 24 into 36 by 60. 6 10 years, 6 4 years, 2 1 years, 2 5 years. So we are getting 4 into 36, 144 by 5. 5 2 years, 10, 44, 5 8 years, 5 8 years, 28.8 kilometer per hour. The answer is 28.8 which is very easy. ఎక్కడైనా యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇస్తే 2xy by x plus y. x అంటే ఇనిషియల్, y అంటే లేటర్. అది ఇదర్ రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదా హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిస్టెన్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఏదైనా ఒకటే లాజిక్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై టోటల్ టైం టేకెన్. టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చినాము? ఈచ్ వన్ 6, అంటే 6 plus 6 plus 6 by total time. Distance by speed, distance by speed, distance by speed. 21 by 18 by 6 plus 6 plus 6 అంతా 18. 18 by 20. ఇక్కడ 75 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 50 ఉంది, 25. Let's go with LCM. 25, 50, 75. 5 years, 5 10 years, for 15 years. Go with 5. 1 years, 2 years, 3 years. 5 is 25, 25 is 50, 53 is 150. LCM anta 150. 150 by 25, 6. So 6 into 6. 120 by 150 by 50, which is another word 3. 3 into 6. 150 by 75, 2. 2 into 6. ఏముంది మాకు ఫైనల్ గా? 18 into 150 by 36 plus 18 plus 12. 36 plus 18, 54. 54 plus 12, 66. 6 3 years, 6 11 years. 450 by 11. 11 4s 44. 11 4s 44. 1. 10 million. 40 10 by 11. 40 10 by 11. Option A. Which is very simple, guys. Next. A man walks from A to B with a speed of 12 km/h and comes back from B to A with 15 km/h. What is the average speed? Same like in earlier one. Average speed equal to 2xy by x plus y. And 2 into 12 into 15 by 12 plus 15. 2 into 12 into 15 by 2xy by x plus 5. So 2 into 12 into 15 by 27. 3 4 years, 3 9 years. 3 3 years, 3 5 years. 2 4 years, 8 8 5 years, 40. 40 by 3, which is nothing but 13 1 by 3. So the answer is 13 1 by 3 kilometer. I hope everyone understood this. Next one. An aeroplane travels the distance of 2,500 kilometers, 1,200 kilometers, and 500 kilometers, all at speeds of 500, 400, and 250. The average speed of a plane. Cheppamma plane. Average speed equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance is 2,500 plus 1,200 plus 500 by. సో మనకి స్పీడ్ కావాలంటే డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం అంటే మళ్ళీ డిస్టెన్స్ బై స్పీడ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 2,500 by 500 plus 1,200 by 400 plus 500 by 250. చెక్ చేయనామా? 2,500 plus 1,200, 3,700 plus 500, 4,200 by 2,500 by 5 is 5. 1,200 by 4 is 3. 500 by 250 is 2. 4,200 by 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 0 cancel. So 420 kilometer per. Option D. Next. Kamal travels for 21. Kamal travels for 6 hours at the rate of 5 km/h and 3 hours at the rate of 6 km/h. His average speed during the journey is. మీకు టైం ఇచ్చాడమ్మా, డిఫరెంట్ టైం ఇచ్చాడు. డిఫరెంట్ టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాం? యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు mx plus ny by m plus n, mx plus ny by m plus n. అంటే అంత 6 into 5 plus 3 into 6 by 5 plus 3. So what we get here, 30 plus 18, 48 by 8. 6 hours కదమ్మా, 6 hours ఇది 3 hours అంటే 9 hours. 9 5 45, 45 3 by 9 అంటే 9, sorry 5, 1 by 3. Yes, option D is correct. Much simple, average speed equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. From that we will get the average speed. Next question. A train travels from station A to station B at a speed of 80 km per hour and returns back at a speed of 120 km per hour. What is the total time taken by the train during this journey if the distance between these two stations is 600 km? Okay. If you observe here, a train travels from station A to B, at a speed of 60 km per hour. 60 ATM. A train travels from station A to B at a speed of 80 km per hour and returns back with a speed of 120 km per hour. Now we want to find out the total time taken by the train during this journey if the distance between those two stations is 600. Again, time cover. Time equal to distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. Going time and coming time చూద్దాం. Going ఎంత అవుద్దమ్మా? 600 by 80. Coming ఎంతమ్మా? 600 by 60. 600 by 60. 60 కాదమ్మా, 120. చూడమ్మా, వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అది 600 by 80, which means that 600 by 80, 0 cancel, 8 7 is 56, 4 8 5 is. That is 600 by 120 is nothing but 5 hours. Now average speed. Now total time. Therefore, total time equal to 7.5 plus 12, which is 7.5 plus 5, which is 12.5, which is how much? 12.5. This is the answer. Next, a motorbike travels first to 220 kilometers with the speed of 40. After that, reaches the destination on time. The car travels the next 450 kilometers with the speed of 75 km per hour. Find the total duration of the journey. So, this is the journey. First to 220 at a speed of 40 km per hour. Next, 450. Now he's moving 75 km per hour. Find the total duration of the journey. Demo 220 by 40 plus 450 by 75. 75 once, 7.6. So 0 cancel. 22 by 4 into 5.5 plus 6. 11.5. Is nothing but 11 and a half. Which is nothing but how much? 11 and a half hours. Which is very simple, guys. So thank you all. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.